The different municipalities and city comprising the province of Benguet in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. The province of Benguet has the municipality of La Trinidad as its provincial center or provincial capital. It is composed of one highly urbanized city and 13 municipalities with 269 barangays. It was founded on November 23, 1900. The total land area is 2,769.08 kilometers squared or 1,069.15 square miles. The province of Benguet is bordered clockwise from the northeast by Mountain Province, Ifugao, Nueva Vizcaya, Pangasinan, La Union, and Ilocos Sur. The different municipalities and city comprising the province of Benguet in the Cordillera Administrative Region are the following. We have the municipality of Atok with 8 barangays, the city of Baguio with 129 barangays, the municipality of Bocod with 10 barangays, municipality of Bugyas with 14 barangays, municipality of Itogon with 9 barangays, municipality of Cabayan with 13 barangays, municipality of Kapangan with 15 barangays, and the municipality of Kibungan with 7 barangays. We also have the municipality of La Trinidad, which also serves as the provincial center or the provincial capital with 16 barangays, the municipality of Mangkayan with 12 barangays, municipality of Sablan with 8 barangays, municipality of Tuba with 13 barangays, and the municipality of Tublay with 8 barangays. And that is all about the different municipalities and city comprising the province of Benguet in the Cordillera Administrative Region or CAR. If you learned something new from this video, please don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen. Maraming salamat, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.